What's going on, everybody? It's Matt with American Ford WD. Hope you're having an awesome day, because we are. Quick shop update. We are going to be at the Great Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion. A little booth outside, actually a big booth this year, because last year we had a really small booth and we couldn't fit even 2 vehicles in there. This time we're going to have a big booth that way we can fit all our vehicles in there, and a couple of our really good customers, they're going to come out and bring their vehicles out so they can be in our booth. So that's really cool. Anywho, let's start outside, shall we? So, what do we got here? We got the Gladiator all situated up. Got the high lift jack mounted on one side. We got, I don't know if anybody's seen this since we did all this, but we got the Super eBay, Super Amazon MaxTrax. Why he bought that? Oh yeah, because it matches the green tint. Anywho, got that all situated. We got poor little TJ in here, needing some good maintenance on her, some tires. We need to do some rear axle seals, valve cover, slave cylinder, all that fun jazz. Just some quick maintenance stuff. We've got Raven in the house. We're still waiting on the front drive shaft to come in, but she's getting front and rear aftermarket drive shafts. So cool. Let's see what else we got. What else have we been up to? Ooh, yes. We got a Comanche in the house. Got bought and shipped all the way from North Carolina. So it's here now. So we're going to be doing a whole lot of cool fun stuff to this. Long arm, 35s, be doing just a whole bunch of stuff. But anyway, cool stuff. Got the CJ all situated, got her done. We did a couple of adjustments, couple of maintenance stuff to her. Nothing too bad. Still waiting on an engine. Yay. We got a J20 in the house. Somebody, I don't know who, because he wouldn't say, but somebody decided to put the fuel pump lobe backwards. So they put it on like this. I can't reach down far enough to get it. But anywho, and the distributor drive goes right on that. Well, check this fun guy out. Oh yeah, that'll make it stop running. So we have to unscrew that. Got parts on the way for y'all. Okay, anywho, let's see what else we got. Oh, we got taco. Getting a bull bar. Nothing too crazy. We got a new hire in the house. It's Dalton. Say hi, Dalton. Say hi. Hi. You're having a great time, aren't you? You love tacos so much, don't you? He's ready to burn this thing down. It is being a bear. Anywho, so he's having fun. We're doing a bull bar to that. We got the pig with some things missing. So that's cool. We took some things out of it that we're not going to need anymore because we're doing other stuff. So the pig is on its way to being badass. And it's a mess in here, guys. We've been yanking everything out of this van. So this is going to be awesome. It is going to be so cool. We no longer need that because we're getting something better than that. So it's going to be freaking cool. Anywho, there's a wood chop going on back here because, or let me restart that. The reason we have been quiet for a little couple days is because we've been working on the SKU bus, getting it ready, because the idea was to get a hotel room for the Jeep Invasion, but there was some campsites open, and I was like, what a perfect time to use the bus. but the bus was not even remotely finished. So for the last pretty much week and a half, we have just been busting it and busting it and busting it to get this bus ready for Jeep Invasion. So I'll show you what we got so far. So obviously, step one, the bus is white. I don't think I've shown, I don't think I had a video or anything since we've done the white transformation. But the bus is white, and we got that wall finished up, and that wall finished up. We got our hot water heater out back. We're about to do that wall. We've got our water connections. So we have internal tank. This is your pressure relief to fill internal tank, and this is your city water. We've got our tanks mounted, fresh water and black water. There's our valve. That's our drain for the freshwater tank. All right. And then, anywho, so on this side of the bus, I'm gonna have to get the keys so I can show you. This is really cool. I think it's this key, I'm not sure. Aha, it is that key. Sweet. So, damn it. Ah, there we go. Ah, holy crap. Both hands. Jesus. Okay, was not expecting it to be this heavy. Hold on. Oh, God. Oh, crap. It caught the... Anywho, so we got... in here, we have our breaker box. She's all plumbed in. Everything's in there, wired up. We've got all of our water connections. We have an inline water pump. That way, if we're not connected to city water, we can pump water through the entire bus. We have a 5,000 watt generator, or inverter, sorry. We have our campsite hookup, and that's just temporary, so don't even look at that. Our freshwater hose goes here, but it's laying on the ground because we're pumping water to it. We got our 2 propane tanks. That's for the stove and the hot water heater. So everything is plumbed. It just doesn't look nice right this exact second because we've been going nuts. I cut out a cover for the front windshield so when we're camped up, no sun can get in there. But check this out, guys. Whoa, right? Don't look at the ceiling. Just don't even look. Check this thing out. It's actually starting to look like a half-assed school bus. Anyway, so yeah, we got some stuff going. You can tell who did this, like who cut all this stuff out. You can really tell that. And then which one of us is an ex-carpenter who does that kind of work. So you can tell who did what. Anywho, I think it looks fantastic, but you know, other people say otherwise. Anyways, I think I did a good job. But anyways, so we got a front stove. We got everything closed in. We just got to make doors, and then doors. Everything's about to get battened down. We did insulation on that wall. You can't do insulation on that wall, so I don't know how that's gonna work. But we're about to cut out these walls, close them in, close in, and then close in, and then finish that back wall. But this will be a wall too, so I don't know if anybody can tell. So that's the duker, and this will be a wall. So we're gonna put a panel here, and then a panel there, and then I put a finished panel on the back side of that one. Duker, we got our AC. Need AC. Got the shower. All plumbed, well, kind of plumbed up at the moment. Yeah. Got our dining room table folded up with our pin. That way, this couch is a bed. So once it's all the way up against the wall, bed folds completely out. So the dining room table folds down, lays flat, and that pole kind of sticks inward so you don't kick it and knock it over. But when you want to put the bed out, then you pretty much just fold this guy up, latch it just like you see, and then fold the bed out. And then we'll have 2 chairs right there. And then some more fun stuff. That panels for down here. Got it all plumbed up. Got the drains all plumbed up. Everything works. Water works. Hot water heater works. Everything works. But yeah, this is what we've been screwing with lately. So if anybody's been wondering where we're at, what are we doing? We've been screwing with this bus. So yeah. Oh, it's raining too. Oh no! Oh, it's drizzling. That's okay. But yeah, so everything's coming together. We're not doing a whole 2 lot of customers' vehicles right this exact second, just because we're trying to focus on this bus. That way I have something to sleep in. So that's why. All right. Other than that, things we'll be taking for sale. I've got some stock fenders, white painted. I've got 2 sets of 4-door running boards. They're like brand spanking new. They're in great condition if anybody wants them. I've got Rubicon factory rock sliders, miscellaneous wheel spacers, a couple used parts. Let's see what else we got. Spare tire carrier for JK, 2 rear drive shafts, some shocks, some little puck lifts, front drive shaft. I've got 2 brand new 37-inch Patagonias, if anybody needs those. I have no use for them. And then some little stuff. But, oh, I've also got a set of race lines. These are the gunmetal and black ring 18x9, 5-on-1, 37.9. I believe they're 8 inches wide. No, they're 9. So, I've got those for sale as well. Rabbit took off his beadlocks, so he got some Raceline Monsters. So these will be for sale. They are a 5-on-114 bolt pattern, so like TJ bolt pattern. So that'll be cool. But other than that, we're rocking and rolling. So pretty much we are busting it to get not only customers dealt with and everything else, but also to get the bus ready. So hopefully we'll be able to transport my Jeep on the school bus to the Jeep Invasion for its first time out, and then also camping it as well. So guys, I appreciate it. We will see you out there. Don't forget to come by the booth. We will be outside somewhere. Guys, we'll see you.